Welcome to 20 Minute Setswana lesson number 17. Re buile gape, leina la me ke Tian,
Leina la me ke Mpho.
and we are here to teach you some Setswana. So, Mpho, au siame?
Ke siame, au siame?
Ke siame, le siame ba gaetso?
Bagaetsho ba siame.
A re simole.
Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're in school. 20 Minute Setswana is the best thing for you. We'll take it slow and step by step. Before you know you're ready to go. Say later. Yeah, like it.
Okay, well, Mpho, today we're talking about everyday vocabulary, and obviously very necessary to learn these phrases. So let's start with the weather. What is the word for weather?
Bosa.
Bosa.
Yes.
All right. And if it's cold weather?
Go maruru.
Okay, I remember go maruru. There are two words for cold. The maruru is more when you talk about weather.
Yes.
And when you talk about a drink?
I would say it's a ke seno tsididi.
Okay, that's when it's a cold drink.
Tsididi.
Tididi. Yes. And when it's warm weather, I remember you rather using bollo than,
Instead of butito.
okay, but you can also say butito.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If I want to say it's windy, how would I say that?
Go phefo.
Go phefo.
Yes.
Phefo. It's a PH there, but you don't, like in English, a PH has an F sound. Fe.
Yes, yes.
Like
But this
elephant, but in Setswana, a PH is P.
one, p.
Okay, go
Yes.
phefo.
Yes.
And when it's raining, how do I say that?
Go na pula.
Go na pula.
Yes.
When it's not raining, if I say it's not raining, do I say ga go na pula or something like that?
Ga go ne pula.
Okay, ga go ne pula. So if it's not windy, it's
Ga go phefo.
ga go phefo.
Phefo.
Okay. So nothing changes there, you just add the ga.
Yes.
Ga go phefo. If it's going to rain,
Go tla na pula.
go
Yes.
tla na pula. It
Yes.
will rain.
It will rain.
So if I say it's very hot, how would I say that?
Go butito. Thata.
Go butito tata. It's very hot.
Yes.
Tata meaning very. If I say it's very cold, would it be go maruru tata?
Perfect.
Tata.
Yes.
Okay, so enough about the weather for now. All around the world, we all need to fill our cars with petrol. How would I say fill it up?
E tlatse.
E tlatse.
Yes.
Okay, so is the word to fill something up go tlatsa?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
All right, so I can't just say tlatsa.
You can.
All right, so I can either say etlatse or tlatsa.
Yes.
Okay, and if I need to check my tires,
Tlola go tlola. Tlola maotwana. Tswe.
all right, let's break that apart. So, tlola was your first word.
Yes.
What is tlola?
Tlola is to check.
All right,
Yes. And maotwana, it's wheels.
maotwana.
Yes. Or
Maotwana.
tires.
That's interesting that you have a word for tires in
Setswana,
Yeah,
yes.
maotwana.
Maotwana.
Okay.
Remember maotwana from maoto?
Maoto.
Feet.
Maoto of feet.
Yes, feet. So anything
Okay.
that moves has what? Feet in Setswana.
All right.
Yes.
Just interesting, is that the plural for feet? Maoto.
Maoto, yes, it's plural.
So what would foot be?
Le oto,
Le auto.
yes.
All right. Okay, so you're basically saying the feet of the car are tires.
Tires,
All right.
yes.
That's interesting. I heard you say koloi there.
Koloi, yes.
Yeah, I picked that up because koloi is the word for car in
For a
Setswana.
car, yes.
Uh-huh. So you said klola maotswana,
Maotwana,
and then you added please at the end.
tswe.
Tswe tswe. Check tires, please.
Yes.
Just like that.
Yes.
Now, if I want him to check for oil, how would I say that?
Tlola lokwane, tswe.
Okay, I got klola because that's the
Yes.
word for check something.
Yes.
Lokwane.
Yes, lokwane, it's oil.
All right.
Yes.
Is this the word for the black oil that comes out of the ground, or the refined oil, or any oil?
Any oil, lokwane.
Lokwane.
Yes.
All right. Well, I guess that's the same as in English. In Afrikaans, we just say oil.
Yes.
We don't specify every time we use the word. Okay. So let's say I just put in petrol and I want the cash receipt. How would I say that?
Ke kopa silipi.
Ke kopa sleepy.
Yes.
Okay. What does kopa mean?
Kopa is to ask.
Okay, so would the verb be go kopa?
Yes, go kopa.
Is to ask.
K-O-P-A.
Okay, ko
Yeah. Ko.
kopa.
Yes.
And then you had sleepy or something.
Selipi.
Sleepy.
From slip,
Yeah.
receipt.
Okay.
Yes.
In South Africa, we use the word slip, and in Afrikaans as well, we say slippy.
Okay, yes.
So it's easy to remember sleepy
Yes.
for the word for cash receipt. Okay, so sometimes there is a problem, and how would I say, what is the problem?
Bothata keng.
Okay, I got that botata because matata was problems.
Yes.
You remember we said kemo matateng?
Yes.
You know, I'm in problems.
Yes.
Now botata is the singular form of matata.
Of
Is
matata.
that correct?
Yes.
All right. So botata ke eng.
Keng.
The problem botata ke is eng what?
Yes.
Botata ke eng. Okay. Now if it was plural,
Matata keng.
okay. So problems is what?
Yes.
Now if I were to have a problem, how would I say that? I have a problem.
Ke na le bothata.
Okay. Ke na le botata. Okay. If I don't have a problem, how would I change it into negative?
Ga ke na bothata.
Ga ke na botata.
Yes.
I don't have a problem. All right. Now, sometimes there is no price on an object. How would I say? There is no price.
Ga gona tlhwatlhwa.
Ga gona tlhwatlhwa.
Yes, it's
Alright.
for free.
It's for free.
Yes.
Okay, so tlhwatlhwa is the word for price.
Yes.
Now, gonale means there is. So making it into there is not is ga gona. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so as a grammatical rule, we take this le out.
Yes.
Can I pay with a debit card? How would I say that?
A nka duela ka karata.
All right. So once again, I can do something is nka.
Yes.
Can I do something is a nka. So I
Yes.
got that. What is the word for to pay?
To pay go duela.
Go duela is the verb.
Yes.
So can I pay is a nka duela.
Yes.
Okay. And then I think you said karata or something.
Ka with karata
Karata. Would that be the word for card?
for card.
All right.
Card.
Card. All right. Obviously also borrowed.
Yes.
A nka duela ka karata.
Yes.
Okay. And if it was a credit card, same thing. A nka duela ka karata.
But then it's gonna be a sentence again.
Okay.
Ka karata e e senang madi.
Sure. Okay. I completely
You
understand.
understand?
So can I maybe just add a quick English word? Just say, for example, a nka duela ka karata debit.
Not
Okay.
a nka duela ka debit card.
Debit card. Okay. All right. So
Because now we're introducing English.
we're introducing English.
Debit card.
Debit card.
Yes,
So
card.
instead of then using the Tswana borrowed word karata,
They
let's
would
just say
use
debit
English.
card.
A
Or,
nka duela ka debit card
or credit card.
or credit card.
A nka duela ka credit card.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's say I don't have any money. How would I say that?
Ga ke na madi
All right.
kgotsa tšhelete.
Or chelete.
Yes.
Okay. We have a reservation. How would I say that?
Ke na le peeletso.
Kenale pelezo. I have a reservation. Got that.
Yes.
And if it were we have a reservation, it would be re.
Re na le
Ah, okay. Renale. And
peeletso.
pelezo. Is pelezo the word for reservation?
Go bela.
Okay. So,
It's a verb.
go bela.
Bela.
What does that
it's
mean?
to put aside.
Go bela means to put aside. Okay. And pelezo comes from bela.
Yes.
We have a reservation. Renale pelezo.
Yes.
Okay. Very important question. Where is the toilet? How would I say that?
Ntlo boithusetso e kae.
All right. It sounded like you used 6 words at the beginning.
Yes.
What
Ntlo,
is the word for toilet?
toilet. It's ntlo boithusetso.
Ntlo buitusetso.
Yes.
That's incredibly hard to say without reading it.
Yes.
Ntlo buitusetso.
It looks like a house because there's a door. You close yourself in.
I see the word for house in there.
Yes,
Ntlo. Okay.
ntlo.
All right.
Boithusetso comes from a word go ithusa,
What does that mean?
to help
Okay.
yourself.
Okay.
Go ithusa.
Goitusa.
So if you take a house And go ithusa in Setswana, it's boithusetso. That's where you're going to help yourself.
Okay.
So ke ntlo boithusetso.
Ntlo boithusetso.
Yes.
And I recognize kai being where, and you added kai.
Yes.
Okay. The toilet is where.
Yes.
All right. Now, what time do you open? How would I say that?
O bula ka nako mang.
O bula ka nako mang. I got
Yes.
nako because nako's time.
Yes.
Go fitlela nako e tlang. We always
Yes.
end like that.
Yes.
Mang is what? Is it
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
time, what? And what is the verb for to open?
To open, go bula.
Go bula.
Yes.
Okay. In any sense, that's to open.
That's to open.
Not just in
Bula
okay.
mojako. Open the door.
Okay.
Anything that you open, it's bula.
All right. What time do you close? What is the verb for to close?
To close, tswala. Go tswala.
Okay, go tswala. So it would be how would you say it?
O tswala ka nako mang.
O tswala ka nako mang.
Yes.
What time do you close?
Yes.
All right. All right. Now, just quickly, how do you say how much does something cost? How much is it?
Ke bukai.
Ke bokai.
Yes.
Literally translated, it is how much?
Yes.
It is how much? Ke bokai. So I can just hold something in my hand and refer to it saying ke bokai.
Perfect.
How much does it cost?
Yes.
All right. Now let's say I'm looking for eggs. I'm in the supermarket and I'm looking for something. Let's say I'm looking for eggs. How would I say that?
Ke batla mai.
Okay. Ke batla mai. I recognize batla being I want something. I want mai being eggs.
Yes.
What is the singular for eggs?
Singular. It's
Just
mai.
one. Just
It's
one egg.
plural.
Yeah.
And then one egg. Li.
Mae le.
Yes.
All right. I just have a question here. If you were looking for something, let's say, for instance, your sister went missing and you were looking for her, what would the verb be for that, for looking?
It will be go batla.
That's very interesting. So in Setswana, you have looking for something and wanting something is the exact same word.
Yes.
Okay, Mpho, thank you so much. I think we should stop the lesson there for today. I also want to remind the listeners to go to the website, 20minutesetswana.co.za. That's 20min.setswana.co.za. We also have an Abuti Syllabus, which is especially formulated for children. We'll see you next week.
Ke a leboga.
And go fitlela nako e tlang.
20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. We'll take it slow and step by step. Before you know you're ready to go. Say later. Yeah, Maggie.